Hi everyone. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I've been doing a project. Recently I took this weight and this scale with me on a trip around the country. Traveled a couple thousand miles, and at each stop I'd weigh this to compare the weight. Now my plan was to use this data to try and figure out average gravitational acceleration, local gravitational acceleration at different points of the country. My experiment showed that yes, there were differences in the weight at different parts of the country, and yes, at fairly close locations, the weight recordings were similar. Now, I know this isn't an exciting experiment, and I know I haven't uploaded a video in quite some time, I have been working on several projects, including this. I recently went to a beach quite some way from here with some reefs around it, and I brought back several pounds of coral. Now, my plan is to take this coral and end up extracting the sodium carbonate from it. I think that'd make for a fairly interesting video. Now, I know that in the past I've uploaded one weekly video. Well, it's still fairly cold outside, even though it's April. So I doubt I'll be able to upload weekly. Probably monthly until May or June. After that, I should be able to upload weekly, as it will be much warmer outside and it'll be easier for me to do things. I also built a time-lapse camera, and I'll show some video and photos of that here.
on the Moon, July 1969, AD. He came in peace for all mankind.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.